The following framework will help you organize your own data analysis, guiding your investigation through the Arkansas Longitudinal Data System. The framework is included as Handout 6.1. If you did not download the handouts at the beginning of the course, return to the home page and proceed with the download. Pause this presentation while you open the framework and print yourself a hard copy. This will come in handy when you move on to analyze your own data in the following lessons. When you are finished, advance to the next slide and follow along with the audio, referencing your print copy as necessary. The framework is organized around 5 major areas of focus. See the column on the left-hand side. These are the umbrella questions for analyzing the data. How are our students performing by subject area? What are the trends in student performance over time? How are subgroups performing over time? What are our strengths and weaknesses in teaching and learning? And finally, can we evaluate teacher, program, and instructional strategies' effectiveness? Each of the 5 questions is subdivided in the next column to support a more detailed analysis of the data. So, for example, in the major area of focus to examine student performance by subject area, there are 2 questions that center on comparing students at your school or district to students at the state level, and comparing student performance in a particular subject across all grade levels within a district. Answering these questions will give you a detailed picture of student performance in your school. The third column, Methodology, describes the kinds of analysis you need to conduct with quick looks to find the answers to the questions. And finally, the Interpretation column on the right-hand side of the framework provides guidance on the interpretive questions you should ask to help you make sense of the data, and encourages thinking about actions you might need to take as a result of this analysis. For each of the next 5 lessons, you will first watch a short video pertaining to the major focus question being addressed, after which you will proceed to the Quick Look site to analyze data that is relevant to you. That is, your own district's, and in some cases, schools' data. You will be utilizing handouts 7.1 through 11.1 for your data analysis. These handouts separate the data analysis framework into packets broken down by the 5 major foci, and are intended to guide you through a detailed analysis of your data, during which you will create your own data statements and summaries. Each handout will open in Microsoft Word and contains detailed instructions for importing charts from the Quick Look site, as well as for making your own data statements and summaries. As you complete the handouts at the end of each lesson, make sure to save your changes and print the document for reference when working with school and district colleagues. You have now completed Lesson 6. You are ready to begin Lesson 7, Data Analysis, Focus 1.